Okay, so before we move forward, another set of papers for you to try. Again, I have shared the years and the series for you. Now, do remember, previously the syllabus code, though the syllabus code was the same, the paper code or the component code was 21, 22, or 23. Over the past 5 years, they have become 51, 52, and 53. And starting 2028 as your first assessment, they will become 41, 42, or 43 for this paper. So keeping that in mind, these are your years for those papers. So for example, here you see it's written 21, here it's written 22, which means that they are from two different zones, but you should download them because they will help you understand certain elements that we have also covered now, as well as certain elements that we will be covering. But they all have to do a lot with observations and a little bit of physics and some street smart thinking. So for example, if you look at this question, find the center of the arc. Now they have given you two large arcs in this question, which is of a castle, but they haven't really given you the starting point. So how do you go about doing something like this? Now let's say you know the square, which means you can construct a square over here. You also know that center point, which is where these two arcs go and converge. So that's been given to you. They are asking you to recreate this shape, but they have given you the radius, but they haven't given you the starting point. So for example, if I look at this image over here, they have given you a baseline with a little bit of the square, and they have given you a center point over here. Yeah, what they expect you to do is, as per the given dimension of 30 by 30, you create or extend that line, make a kink over here for you to understand where the 90 degree will come. Use a protractor to find the 90 degrees, and then use a protractor again to get this 90 degree. So let's say you have created your square. Same way you will be creating a square on this side as well. However, if you look at the radius given over here, you can't really plot it using a scale, because even if you do, how do you figure out where that center needs to come? But you now know how to make a regular polygon, and you also know how to make an equilateral triangle. So let's say I have a sharp straight line over here, and I ask you to find that third vertex. What do? You take this distance, you make an arc using the compass, then you shift the compass pin over there and you make an arc over here, and you get that point, from where you can join it to this and you can join it to that. So you take the same concept, but this time you take it as per the given radius, whatever the radius may be, place the pin to this corner, make an arc, place the pin onto that corner and intersect that arc. Wherever that intersecting point comes, put the pin of the compass there with the same distance as you have, and simply draw this arc, and you will get the arc required as per the given dimension.